Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Our recipe for today, chicken with soda. This is very simple. Join me till the end. Season chicken with salt and pepper. Slightly fry the chicken removed and set aside. Sauté garlic, onion, add seasonings, bay leaf, peppercorns, banana blossom, tablespoon of sugar, oyster sauce, and lastly soda. Cover and simmer until tender or the liquid reduces. After 45 minutes, this is how it looks, so tender. Thick sauce. Mouth-watering, appetizing, can't wait yummers. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all enjoy. See you on my next vlog. Until next time, bye.